Hello everyone, this is Mr. Ravi Ranjan here again, once again with fast track study of current affairs. Topic which we are going to cover today is awards and honors, quarterly September, October, November month, which we will cover today. If you are first arrived to this channel, subscribe to this channel, click or hit the bell button for the next update. Don't miss this opportunity. I'm going to cover each and every topic of current affairs within less than 15 minutes, so you must subscribe this channel. So without wasting the time, let's start the session. So these are the certain types of awards: civilian awards, Bharat Ratna awards, highest civilian awards instituted in 1954; Padma awards 2020, Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan, Padma Shri instituted in 1954; Women awards, Nari Shakti Puraskar 2020; sports awards, National Sports Awards 2020; international awards, Arts. So the videos which we have already uploaded in the YouTube Arts site. So Nobel Prize, Pulitzer Prize, Emmy Awards, MTV Europe Music Awards, and you can watch the point number 9, MTV Europe Music Awards, American Music Awards, International Emmy Awards. Some of the links which I would be providing to you to the channels. So let's move to the next one. So we'll start with month of November. Point number 1, the Pilibhit Tiger Reserve has bagged international award TX2 for doubling the number of tigers in the past 4 years. Award second, EPFO conferred with Platinum Partner Award. Number third is Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank conferred with Vatean Lifetime Achievement Award. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank conferred with Vatean Lifetime Achievement Award. Douglas Stewart won the 2020 Booker Prize for his debut novel Sugi Ben. NBDF confers 4 awards to Assam for success in the fishery sector. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank launched Leela Bhatti Award. Sadat Rahman wins International Children's Prize, that is called Children's Peace Prize. Russia's Lakhta Center wins Emporis Skyscraper Award 2019. S. Harish won JCB Prize for Literature. Point number 10, Dr. Harshvardhan presented Gandhian Young Technological Awards 2020. Dr. Sushant Kar honored with Professor A.N. Bhaduri Memorial Lecture Award 2020. Writer Paul Jacharia has been selected for the 28th Iju Thachan Puraskaram, the highest literary honor of the Kerala government. Left next to the part. We'll cover the next in October month. Bangladesh government announced Independence Day Awards 2020. Second point, CSR CDRI scientist Dr. Satish Misra bags Dr. Tulsi Das Chugh Award 2020. Rajesh Goenka, Director RP Tech India, bags the prestigious Global CMO Leadership Award. Merck Foundation Stay at Home Media Recognition Awards 2020 recognized the best of COVID-19 reportage from the Democratic Republic of the Congo. In Smart Systems wins FICCI National Awards. Malayalam film Kanti won the Best Film Award at the India International Film of Boston. Indian American Anika Chebrulo or Chobrulo. It's Chobrolu. Yes, isn't that so? Chobrulu won the 3M Young Scientist Challenge. Sudha Murthy conferred with the Universities of Mysore's honorary doctorate on the occasion of its centenary convocation. Ritesh Rawal's Manifestism has been awarded as Innovation of an Education Philosophy in the Education Innovation Awards. Mrs. Seema Gupta won the Gold Steve Award in the Lifetime Achievement. Let's move to the next part. This is the continued part of October. Indian origin philanthropist Harish Kotecha, founder and president of Hindu Charities for America, has been awarded the prestigious Sandra Nees Lifetime Achievement Award in recognition of his work in the US for meeting the needs of children and youth experiencing homelessness. The Nobel Prize 2020 in Economic Sciences was awarded jointly to Paul R. Milgram and Robert B. Wilson for improvements to auction theory and inventions of new auction formats. Kani Kusruti wins Best Actress Award for Sajin's Babu Biryani at 42nd Moscow Film Festival. Poet Ijacheri Ramcharan won Balayar Ram Verma Memorial Literacy Award 2020. The Nobel Prize 2020 in Peace is awarded to World Food Programme. The Nobel Prize 2020 in Literature is awarded to American poet Louise Gluck for her unmistakable poetic voice that with austere beauty makes individual existence universal. The Nobel Prize 2020 in Chemistry is awarded jointly to Emmanuel Charpentier and Jennifer A. Doudna for the development of a method for genome editing. The Nobel Prize 2020 in Physics is awarded to Roger Penrose for the discovery that black hole formation is a robust prediction of the generic theory of relativity. One before awarded to Reinhard Gengel for the discovery of a supermassive compact object at the center of our galaxy, and one for awarded to Andrilla Gage for the discovery of a supermassive compact object at the center of our galaxy. Nobel Prize 2020 in Medicine is awarded jointly to Harvey J. Alter, Michael Hodgson and Charles M. Royce for hepatitis C virus discovery. Let's move to the next part. We'll go with the September part. Usha Mangeshkar conferred with Gan Samragni Lata Mangeshkar Award for the year 2021. NTPC wins IMA Chanakya Business Simulation Games National Management Games 2020. President Ramnath Kovind conferred National Teachers Award 2020 on the occasion of Teachers' Day. Indian director Chaitanya Tamhane wins the Best Screenplay Award at Venice Film Festival. HDFC Bank MD Aditya Puri conferred with Lifetime Achievement Award by Aeromani 2020. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank presented the first ever AICTE Visvesvaraya Best Teacher Awards 2020 to 12 faculty members of AICTE approved institutes on the day of Engineers Day. Second, Utkrisht Sansthan Vishwakarma Award was announced. Vikas Khanna honored with the prestigious Asia Game Changer Award 2020. Satyendra Singh Lohia is the first Divyang Indian sportsman of the country awarded with the Tenzing Norgay Adventure Award. Gas Authority of India Limited won Leader Award at Frost S. Sullivan Terry's Sustainability 4.0 Awards. President of India Sri Ramnath Kovind conferred the National Service Scheme NSS Awards for the year 2018-19 virtually. Kerala won UNICEF Non-Communicable Disease Awards 2020. INCR UNIATF Non-Communicable Diseases 2020. Thanks for watching. This is the end of the session. If you are new, as I've already said, subscribe to this channel right now without forgetting, hit the bell icon right now. And this is the end of the session. This is Mr. Ravi Ranjan here signing off. If you have any doubts, if you want to join the live lecture, the live number is displayed below. You can call to this number or WhatsApp to this number to get the live lecture via video conferencing with me live. Thank you very much. This is Ravi Ranjan signing off. Thank you. Thank you.